In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells as currency in Google Sheets. Numbers are just digits until you add the right symbol. With a couple of clicks, you can turn plain values into professional-looking currency that's easy to read and ready for reports. Let's start with the fastest method. Open your sheet, highlight the cells that contain the numbers you want to format, and look to the toolbar for the $ icon. Click it once. Instantly, Google Sheets adds a currency symbol, 1,000 separators, and 2 decimal places, all based on your location settings. This quick format is perfect for budgets, price lists, or any table where you want clean, consistent money values without fiddling with multiple options. If you need a different symbol than the one that appears by default, you can switch it just as easily. Click the 123 icon in the toolbar to open the number formats, scroll to the bottom, and select Custom Currency. A search box will appear, letting you look up virtually any currency in the world: euros, pounds, yen, and many more. Choose the one you need and apply it with a single click. Your selection updates immediately, so you can keep the data exactly as it is and simply change how it's displayed. This keeps your sheet flexible, especially if you work with clients or teams across different regions. For a more polished and standardized look, especially useful in bookkeeping and financial statements, use the accounting format under the number menu. This layout aligns currency symbols neatly in a column, so everything lines up visually, and it handles negative numbers with brackets instead of a minus sign. The result is a cleaner, more professional presentation that makes totals and exceptions easier to scan. It's a small change that goes a long way when you're sharing reports or preparing spreadsheets for stakeholders. Here's an important reminder as you apply formatting. Changing the format only affects how the numbers look, not their actual values. The math underneath stays the same. Your sums, averages, charts, and formulas will continue to work exactly as before, because formatting does not alter the data itself. That means you can safely try different currency options, switch symbols, or swap in the accounting format without breaking any calculations. And that's all you need to quickly format cells as currency in Google Sheets. Use the toolbar for speed, custom currency for the right symbol, and accounting format when presentation matters. With these tools, your numbers won't just be accurate, they'll look professional too.